Hello crafty friends, how are you? Welcome back to my channel. This is Treasures of a Crafty Mind YouTube channel. Today is Clear Scraps Design Team Shares. Today I have the medium wood palette Popsicles. Below in my description box you will find the links to all of the Clear Scraps products you are seeing on my projects today. I also used laser chipboard embellishments as well as regular chipboard embellishments. Both are summer themed, and in both sets you will find a popsicle, and in the laser digital set you will find the adorable let's see, I might be confused, but you will find the flip-flops, a summer sentiment, and then in the other one you will see a hello, glasses, and a beach ball, as well as the sun. All of the products from Clear Scraps are listed below, as well as the blog where I go into the full description of what I have done to create today's projects. I would love for you to go over to Clear Scraps if you have a project in mind, whether it be home decor or maybe you're doing some swaps. You will find many fun creations that you can work with, anywhere from shakers to embellishments, home decor, frames. If you have something in mind to create, Clear Scraps is guaranteed to have it. So below are the links. Run over and check out all of the Clear Scraps amazing products, and let's get into these two today. And I have used some neon pearl paints or metallic paints on both projects, and I have started out with a clear gesso to seal the wood before I did any painting. Now, to one side is pallets, like so. So you could even do both sides. I could have done something completely different on the other side so that you could have a dual project. But what I did today is I thought that it would be fun to show you that you can do either side, and you can display them where they are opposite each other. And there's plenty of room to add photos, so these are great scrapbook layouts. You could easily put a photograph on the popsicle here, and here I have left room to add one to this popsicle. You could put 2 pictures or just one, it's up to you, but I encourage you to go over and check out all of the amazing ways that you can create something really fun at Clear Scraps. And then you can also seal with gesso after you have painted everything. And the summer I kind of did a little bit of like a ombre effect. I added some blue to the hello, and the glasses I did a couple of different colors. Here is the beach ball. And this is a lime green paint, so I think it makes the perfect lemon lime popsicle. And then here on this raspberry popsicle, we have the summer that I have done in the lemon color. Here's the flip-flops, this little popsicle, and the sun. And a lot of these will fit perfectly on mini albums as well as cards. So thank you so much for allowing me to share with you today's projects that I have created for Clear Scraps. I love being on their design team. They have been so kind. Thank you so much to Susan and Jim for allowing me to work with your fabulous creations and your embellishments. I love being on the design team. Thank you so much, and thank you everyone who has watched today's video. Please like, subscribe, and follow. I would love to be a part of your crafty community, and hope this is giving you some inspiration and some ideas for your next project. All right, have a great day. Bye for now.